Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete a notification software like a tablets or like that viruses from your Xiaomi 13 Pro. So at the start, if you see something like that, the spamming pop-ups when you try to visit any site or something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software, and we can try to remove it by two ways: by the system settings and by the antivirus app. So the first method, we have to open the settings, now go to the apps and choose manage apps. Now check all of the apps on this list, and if you see something that you have not installed before by yourself, something strange, the unwanted app, just tap on it and choose uninstall. Click OK, and that's it. In the second step, go to the apps again and look for your web browser. Then choose the storage, data usage, sorry. Yes, storage. Okay. Now tap on the clear data, tap on the manage space, and tap on the clear all data. Click OK, that's it, and your web browser should be free from notification virus. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. I'm using Avast for that, so we have to tap on the get started next and skip. Close the windows and tap on the continuous free. Now choose start scan, add the permissions to the files, and go back to the app. Now choose your scan type. I prefer always using 2D scan. And now after the scanning process, all of the viruses, the unwanted software shall be deleted. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.